Meeting Notes, Excel template. Welcome to the Meeting Notes template, Excel version tutorial. This template consists of 3 tabs: Cover, Meeting Notes, and Settings Cover. In this tab, you can customize by entering your name, email, and important note. There are 2 links below, one to this tutorial and another to the store, whenever you need to ask a question or access the store to see more news. Meeting Notes. Meeting Notes has 2 filters and a field to search for the title of your meeting. There are 60 templates that can be expanded or collapsed to help you organize and search for meetings more efficiently. You can duplicate this tab whenever you need more meeting notes. Please avoid deleting any columns, as this template has hidden columns with formulas that are essential for proper filtering. Let's do a simulation of how you should use this template. The first step is to go to the Settings tab and insert the list of attendees and facilitators. Once this is done, we return to the Meeting Notes tab and insert all the necessary elements for our simulation. In the Agenda Items section, checking each topic is done by entering the letter A in column C of each line. In the top bar, there are 2 filters, Idaho and Date, and a bar to search for the objective title. The search bar has the following logic. You write the word you want to search for, and next to the corresponding ID, it returns all the IDs that contain this word. This way, you can filter by ID. In the Date filter, you can filter by year, month, or day. To expand all meeting notes in the template, click on number 2 in the top left corner. If you want to collapse, close the entire template, click on number 1. We have reached the end of this tutorial. Your opinion is very important to us. It helps to improve our template and perhaps provide you with a new, more up-to-date version. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We are here to help you with any questions.